Hello friends, how are you doing all? Hope you all are doing great and you all are practicing your English every single day. So today I came with wonderful topic, and this topic oftentimes we ask and we search on YouTube, and in this video definitely you will get the solution of this dot in your mind. So basically what is the topic and what is the queries always come in our mind. The topic is how can I speak English fast? Yeah, speak English faster. Yeah, when we start speaking, yeah, in initial days, that time our motivation is extreme level. Yeah, we are just crazy to learn this language. We are full of energy, full of enthusiastic to learn and to do anything, because in initial days we are very passionate, very motivated, and very crazy to learn this language, and we ready to do all the things. And after some time our motivation goes down and we feel different thoughts coming in our mind. So what is the reason and how to start, how to stay motivated, what are the difficulty and what are the solution of this problem? So let's see, I will explain it point once, because point to always make to easy to understand and you will easily able to understand. Okay, so there are some points and ideas in my mind, so I want to discuss with you guys. So the point number one is, if you want to speak English fastly, if you want to speak English faster, then what you have to do? First thing, you set your goal. Yes, you know what, when I talk with people, yeah, different people, and when I ask with them, why are you learning English, what is your purpose, what is your reason behind this language, and what is your goal, then some people say, I have no any goal and no any reason, I'm just learning for fun, I'm just learning for improving myself, but no any reason and no any specific goal behind this language. So I feel like, in the if you are one of them, and if you are the same, if you have a same feeling, you don't have any dream, you don't have any goal, you don't have any reason of this language, so you will not able to do the practice very long time, because English is not a one time, it means not a short period of time journey, it will take time. But after some time your motivation level will go down and you will feel demotivate, and you will feel, let me quit this journey, give up this journey, because you don't have any reason of this work. So first you should find your reason, find your goal, set your goal, why are you learning? Because friend, when you have a goal now, you will always motivate and you will able to do your work in a very passionate way, because when we have a goal, it means we are very motivated, there is no need to outside motivation, we always ready to do the work according to our goal, and goal always motivate us. So first you should find your goal, why you are learning this language and what do you want to become, what's your purpose. Got it? Point number two, what is the second point? The second point is set a deadline. Yes, deadline, it's also very crucial in this journey. It will, because if you have a fixed deadline, it means you will do the work in a very passionate, very dedicated way, because you know when I will finish the task. Hmm? You are just committed with yourself, be honest with yourself, you are not going to proof. You are not going to prove yourself in front of anyone. You just honest with yourself, committed with yourself. I will complete it this month, yeah, 1 year, 6 month, 1 month, according to your schedule, according to your plan. You set a deadline according to your abilities, hmm, according to your strength, because deadline it's also a very crucial, very significant things. Because when you have a deadline, you are not easily going to distract. You don't have any other option, you don't have any distraction. Every day you have to do the work, every day you have to learn, every day you have to go ahead in your life, because you know in this time, it means my fixed time schedule, I will achieve it. So you are not going to make any kind of excuse, you are not going to postpone your work, you will not become lethargic people. Got it? So this is the second point. Third is, don't run behind perfect grammar rule. Yes. Why? Because when I talk with people, they know how to speak English, they know reading, they able to express him and herself in front of anyone very better way, okay, but still they are worried about grammar rules, because they want to speak English flawless, they want to speak English proficient way. So why do you think like, why do you want to become perfect? Why are you worrying about grammar rules? There is no need to indulge yourself in totally in grammar rules, okay, because when you listen, when you will listen the celebrities, yeah, any proficient people, they are speaking very flawless English, but still they are doing grammar mistakes. For example, when you are watching videos and any podcast, very easily find the mistake when you are very focused way, okay. So what are the, it's a very silly mistake. Let's see. When we say I did not go there, instead of they are using I did not went there. I did not go there, no, they are using I did not went there. So what is it? These are just a silly mistakes, okay, but it will improve by a time, okay. So don't worry about grammar rules. There's no, because more you practice, better you are able to understand how to use grammar rule in our day-to-day life. And grammar, if you, it doesn't matter how many grammar knowledge you have, still you will not able to use those, all those grammar rule in your conversation. There is no requirement to use all the grammar rules in conversation. No, because while speaking we didn't focus on rules and regulation. The word automatically coming in our mind and we just speak it out. If you are going to think, then you will convert in your first you convert thought in native language, then you translate in English. It will take time, and maybe you will not able to speak in a better way. You will stuck somewhere, and that is the reason you will feel demotivated. So don't run behind the perfect grammar and perfection of grammar. Got it? Third thing and fourth thing, it's a very important, significant, it will play a significant role in this journey. And the fourth things is, are you practicing English every day? Yes, this is the fourth idea, and you can say 4 point. Are you practicing English every day? Be honest with yourself. Be honest. There is no need to give a proof in front of anyone. First, you can ask with yourself. It doesn't matter how many hours you are watching video on YouTube, how many content you are watching in a single day, but you just be honest with yourself. Are you practicing every day or not? I'm sure you are not practicing every day, because what is the reality? When we watch the video, that's it, that time we feel like, yes, I know that, I know this, I got it, I summarize the whole story or according to my own way. But when you are going to speak in front of mirror, in front of anyone, and when you are going to speak with yourself, what are the situation come in your at that time, you will not able to express your thought, you will not able to summarize the story, you will not able to speak, and within a 1 and 2 minute you will easily get bored. Okay, and you will easily decide, I'm going to quit it, I'm not going to practice, it's not. And we start complaining, we start feeling regret, why I'm not able to speak, why my English is not, still I watched video, still I was reading the books, watching video and writing, but still I'm not able to speak. So why? It doesn't matter, are you able to speak or not? Because when you are going to speak now, it is not the true you are able to sum up whole the story according to whatever written in book. No, you will forget lots of words, sentence structure, but what you have to do, whatever coming in your mind, try to speak. It doesn't matter how many mistakes you are doing, you just try to speak whatever thought coming in your mind and try to record yourself. It will also help you to rectify your mistake, where are you doing mistake and where you should to correct your mistake. So you can record while speaking, and every day you have to speak. It doesn't matter how many contents you are watching, how many videos you are watching, how many hours you are reading the book. Try to speak. More you speak, better your understanding will build up. Okay, so try to speak more and more. And the last point is, just focus on basic grammar rule. Yes, basic grammar rule, it means, what does mean? It means you must have some part of the some grammar part knowledge. It means like tenses, it's a backbone of grammar, we know that. Modals, preposition, okay, and conditional sentence, few number, or it means, I'm not talking about all the grammar rules, but some part of the grammar, it's a very crucial to you will able to sum up your thought in a proper way. And without having this part of the knowledge, how you will complete your speech, because you have to learn some part of the grammar rules, and because these are rules you will able to use day to day life. Okay, so don't worry about mistake, don't worry about grammar, just go through some grammar rules, some basic grammar rules. Okay, it will polish your English, it will improve your speaking skill, and you will able to deliver your thought in a proper way. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Bye bye.